Good morning, everybody. It is too early. I'm being quiet because everybody's still sleeping, and this is a tiny, tiny house. I've got 20 hours of work, and then it's the New Year break. So let's get it.
Say good morning. Good morning. Say good morning, everybody. We are starting our day as Princess Anna. Can I see the front of your dress? Oh, you are beautiful. Look at you go. Are you having a good morning? Yes. Are you working on those head muscles? Hey, big boy. Are you working on those head muscles? Yeah? You go, buddy. What are you looking at? Are you sticking your tongue out? Are you sticking that big boy tongue out? Oh my, what? It's beautiful. It's beautiful. That was awesome, Olive. That was amazing. You're gonna keep going? Yeah, keep going. I could listen to you forever. Is he coming? Look. Dad! Okay, we're back. He's in the house now.
Okay, guys, we're back outside, and it's hailing. It's like raining or hailing, or not your average snowfall.
I don't think she's choosing where she's going.
I don't either.
Wow!
Is it good stuff? Yeah. You wanna go have a cookie? You wanna go have a cookie?
Cookie time? Come on, I'll help you.
Well, we tried coming out, but it's hurting our faces. I've never seen this. Yeah, we have never seen this. This is wild. Look at that. It's like rain hitting snow. She's not a fan. So we're gonna head back inside. Yeah? No? What do you want to do? You throw it at Mom. Oh, that's a good one. Do it again. Mom, we almost got you. I got Mom that time. Yeah, look at the ice pellets. I'm hoping I hope this focuses in. Okay, inside we go.
Hot chocolate. Hot chocolate. Let's make some hot chocolate, shall we? Make some hot chocolate powder. Yep. Okay, we need a spoon. Ready? One. Let's get some hot water. You happy with the outcome? Yeah, should we go bring them to Daddy? Okay, let's go.
You drop your car keys. I pick them up and say, hey, these are yours.